Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video is going to be like a little self-care routine slash Sunday reset slash like cleaning motivation. I'm just basically going to be doing like a lot of things in this video, so yeah. But first things first, we're going to focus on our hygiene. I'm just going to do my skincare, and you all see me do a little bit of like my dental hygiene, and then we're going to work our way into actually like cleaning up a little bit. So yeah.
I get a little mannish, and you see this bandana hanging, that means I'm like a bandit, like a bandit. I got paper, girl, the Lamborghini, with the spider seats, you never seen it, so get it, shawty, we parking lot, pimping in my dome, and I know what you want. Go Holly Berry, or Holly do. Make your boys and tell me what you do. Everybody gon' respect the shoe, but the one in front of the gun lives forever. And I've been hustling all day, this way, that way, through canals and alleyways, just to say money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how it is.
Okay, so I was definitely in the mood to clean. So that normally doesn't happen like that. So when it does happen, I try to take advantage. So I decided to go ahead and clean out my refrigerator and just take out things that I know I'm not using. So I did that, and then I went in and just basically cleaned my refrigerator. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing, is finishing up cleaning, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the shower.
Reality before you, bitch. Ain't nothing casualty at war, you bitch. Two bullets in my Uncle Tony head. He said one day I'll be on tour, you bitch. That Louis burgers never be the same. Hey, Louis Belder never ease that pain. But I'ma purchase when that day is drinking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirting. Gang signs out the window, you bitch.
Whenever we breathe, every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me, just come get me. Don't know why, just know I want to. Don't know why, just know I want you. Don't know why, just know I want to. Don't know why, just know I want you. I'd rather be breaking things that you can't see. Just making sense in the place. Watch me dancing. How you live in love like food. Don't care why, just know why. How you live in love like food. Don't care why, just know why.
Okay, so we're ending off our day with a little skim set, and we're back in our bonnet, so that means that we're just going to be relaxing. So I'm just going to be spraying my Bum Bum Cream spray. It smells so good. And yeah, this is basically the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace.